if your favorite black athlete, if your favorite black musician, if your favorite black influencer, if your favorite black YouTuber, if your favorite black celebrity in general, both here in the continent and in the diaspora, if they are not speaking truth to power, if they're not using their platforms to advance black people, blackball them. Don't watch their movies. Don't watch their YouTube channels. Don't support anything they do. Don't listen to their music. Don't support them in their careers. I'm so sick and tired of them. What happened to the Muhammad Alis? What happened to that type of energy that Muhammad Ali had, that Dick Gregory had, that Miriam Makeba had? What happened to that? What happened to black celebrities who used to put their careers and lives on the line for the sake of black people? These black celebrities now, most of them are shame. Peace and blessings, everybody. I am your brother Orina, all the way from the motherland, all the way from Kenya. Today I come to you with a lot of fiery energy, with a lot of fiery words. I am not happy today because, you know why? Because we're not looking for power. Africans are the only people who are not looking for power. We as Africans globally, I don't care where we are in the world, we are looking for people to have power over us, and it's so disheartening, and it's saddening, and it's painful. Arabs are looking for power in their own way. Asians in their own way. White people, of course, they're doing whatever it takes to maintain their power. But you know who's not looking for power? Us, black people. We are instead looking for people to have power over us. Embarrassing. Now today, I want to focus on entertainment. I want to focus on black celebrities. Now let me say this. I know this is controversial, but at this point I'm getting fed up and I don't care how people receive what I'm saying. So listen to me very carefully. Black people who are watching me right now, I want us to blackball some of these black celebrities. Yes, I want us to blackball some of these black celebrities. In fact, I want us to blackball most of these black celebrities. Because most of them are a bunch of good-for-nothing sellouts who don't speak truth to power and who are scared of white people. And I'm talking about black celebrities in the continent and in the diaspora. I'm not leaving anybody out. I'm a Pan-African, so I speak to black people globally. Most of you don't do nothing for the community. And most importantly, most of you don't speak truth to power. So because most of you don't speak truth to power, then we should blackball most of you. Yes, we should blackball most of you, black celebrities. Yes, let me repeat that again. Let me even we should blackball most of the black celebrities. I am sick and tired of you guys. All you do is sing, all you do is rap, all you do is model, all you do is influence, all you do is act. And you don't even speak truth to power. You don't even use your big platforms to speak truth to power. Most of you, I know some do, but most of you don't. So you know what? I support the opinion that we should blackball those who don't speak truth to power. We are at war, for heaven's sake. We are at war. Guys, everybody is looking for power except from us. We are the most non-serious people in the world. We are the most disorganized and the most disrespected and the most confused and the most... We are, in short, we are at the bottom of the bottom. And you mean to tell me that these celebrities can just sing, rap, act, influence, do athleticism, throw a basketball, throw a football, run. Those are the only things you can do, and you're not even using your influence. You're not using your platform to advance the black community. So you know what? Because most of you are not doing it, I am of, you know what? Let me say this. If your favorite black athlete, if your favorite black musician, if your favorite black influencer, if your favorite black YouTuber, if your favorite black celebrity in general, both here in the continent and in the diaspora, if they are not speaking truth to power, if they're not using their platforms to advance black people, blackball them. Don't watch their movies. Don't watch their YouTube channels. Don't support anything they do. Don't listen to their music. Don't support them in their careers. I'm so sick and tired of them. That's my position. We are at war. We are at the bottom of the bottom. We are not doing well as a people. We are losing. We are conceding goals. If this was a football match, if this was a soccer match, we are conceding goals. What happened to the Muhammad Alis? What happened to that type of energy that Muhammad Ali had, that De Gregory had, that Miriam Makeba had? What happened to that? What happened to black celebrities who used to put their careers and lives on the line for the sake of black people? These black celebrities now, most of them are shame. And you know what? Because you're ashamed, and because you do nothing for black people, and because you don't even speak truth to power, you don't even use your platform to advance black power, because you don't do that, we should blackball you. So I am saying this again. Black people, if your favorite musician, if your favorite black actor, if your favorite black athlete, if your favorite black YouTuber, black influencer, if your favorite black celebrity is not advancing black people in any way, shape, or form, blackball that celebrity. Don't listen to their music. Don't listen to their don't watch their movies. Don't support anything they release. That's how you get their attention. Support the ones who do. Support Killer Mike. Support David Banner. Support all these other people. I know their names that I'm forgetting right now. But so if your black celebrity is doing well by black people, is advancing black people, and is speaking truth to power, support them fully. Support those ones. I'd rather you support them than supporting these coons, because they're a bunch of coons. Most black celebrities are a bunch of sellout coons, and don't support them. If they're not speaking truth to power, don't support them. That's my message.